Dr. Tindiose nenkusanga. Olutalo lwa Amonge ne Zaake lugenda kugwera wa.
Amongo tasobola parliament.
Bayinza okuteeka mu kifo kya vice. Tasobola kukudda.
No, anti ulira. Parliament belongs to Kadaga. Ekyo nkyogera every time. The parliament belongs to Kadaga.
Soga yolo kuba yalwako.
And he's a political mama. He's a political mama. He knows how to handle the pigsty. Because the parliament, politics is a dirty game. What is the dirtiest animal on earth?
Pig.
Yes.
Yes,
politics is for dirtiest people. Dr. Tiamari, I'm the dirtiest in the Naringuze Kumalai. Naringuze Kumalai.
Mama Nachijo Binari.
Hey, I'm a politician. Nabagama, the person who can handle the parliament is only Kada. She will find her way back. Ataba Jakuita Namuyiti. Bagenda the leader. Kadaga entered East Africa. East African office. Egenda kwegatta. Ekyokubi.
Olwa mama Kadaga.
Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, Ethiopia, Somalia. Bano ba mafia badde bamukuba. She's going international now. Now one is Sakata. Kagam. Kagam. Kadaga has a political might and a political jara. The kingdoms of the parliament and all the foundations has been laid to emancipate the political monsoons. Here comes 9, 10, 3, 4, 1 and homework in the other sexual exercises.
Kanoke baita batia wemba na makoa kajake.
Kano kanakatabu. Amonga alino kagula. If you want to become a good parliamentarian on a speakership race, you must carry the bag of Kadaga. If you don't carry the bag of Kadaga, like Namugans, Ogenda Kurukuta, the government can squeeze you. Where is the Namugans?